2021 BMW X3 pin to start immobilisation. So get in the car, foot on the brake, push to start. Okay, we're going to select the gear. Okay, so the car's now in park. Select the gear. Okay, let's try reverse. Okay, so it's not letting us select any gear. Okay, remaining in park. So we need to deactivate the immobiliser by pressing a combination of unique combination of button pushes. Use any of the factory buttons we decide to use. Once you put the code in, you'll get a main beam warning light flash. You'll see, put my code in. There we go, flash there. So now, put it in drive. There we go. Back to park. Put it in reverse. No problem. Back to park. So that's it. System deactivated. Car's ready to go. Arming is simple. Ignition off. Open the door. 2 flashes of the main beam warning light tells you the system is now armed.